This Echeveria has some obvious signs of needing to be watered. See the wrinkled leaves? There are no rotten leaves, no orange leaves, nor dead leaves. Since I've ruled out all of those issues, I think I can say with confidence that this plant just needs a drink of water. So how do you water a succulent in need of a drink? Well, water it very well by letting water run through the container, hydrating the soil, washing away salt buildup, and giving the plant a chance to take up water before the soil mix, which is well draining, dries out again. After watering, let the soil dry completely before watering again. It has been 2 days since watering, and now this succulent is looking much better. There is significantly less wrinkling, leaves are turgid, and the red around the leaves is looking bright and healthy. Watch your succulents for signs that they have a need. Whether it's legginess from not enough light or wrinkles from not enough water, they are very good at telling you what their needs are. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe to help support this channel, and I hope you'll visit me again on Garden Rudiments.